What's up YouTube? What's up guys? Today's videos I got this scanner right here. So I ordered this one in Amazon. This is what you call this fix. And also today's videos I'm going to share this showing in my dashboard in my car. It says track off and BEC and also check engine. So I have this in my hand right now is what you call this fix. So I brought this one in an Amazon. So right, so if I turn on this my car right now, so is the light come on, it says track off and also BEC and uh, engine light is come on also. So if I start this car, so the track off and VEC and engine light is come on. So I'm going to start this car right now. Right, so the light came on in the dashboard in my car. It says like that, a track off and also the VEC and check engine. So alright, so today's I try this how you gonna figure this is what you call this. My scanner is a fix. Okay, right here, so we need to download the apps, also what you call this fix. So fix, we need to download the apps right here, so we need to download this one. So click that one, tap to scan and tap to scan. And also what you call get the sensor. I already own the sensor, see, so I need to put the this one right here, the sensor. So we're gonna try this one right here. Okay, and also sensor is plugged in. Alright, so I wanna plug in. Maybe right here. Okay, and then maybe gonna start the car too. Sensors plug in, so scan. So okay, the top is see right here. So tap to set up. So what's the VIN number? Submit. Loading. Reset engine control unit is see right here. So I get that one right there. Let's see. Clear engine light. So clear engine light. Get the clear engine light. And put that one right there like that. Because I'm doing a scanner. Let's see. Wow, it's fixed. Now they gun. So we have this right here, my car right here. So this is it. So alert disabled, tap to fix. Additional info. See additional info. No code still on. So additional info. Let's see. Scan again. Scan again. So tap this one. Hello. Take this one. It's amazing. Now it's gone. The light is come out. It's amazing fix. Right, that's here we go. It says, see that one right there? The light is gone. Now no more showing on my dashboard. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe this channel right here, and also leave the comment also. Thank you. Bye bye.